Hello everyone, so we are back again after a long time. From now on we'll make videos on MATLAB, simultaneously on Python and their software. So first problem on MATLAB today is on the fundamentals of MATLAB. The first problem says that you have an equation of motion of a particle having simple harmonic motion. The distance function xt and the velocity function v of t. You have to show the displacement and the velocity of the particle in a single graph over a time starting from 0 to 6 seconds. You have to use black color for solid line to draw distance versus time, and you have to use a red color solid line to draw velocity versus time. Add necessary axis levels and graph title and listen. So let's generate code for MATLAB. So first thing is that the functions are time dependent, so we are putting some values for time. So here you can see that we have written line space. The values we listed from 0 to 6, and it was said from the question in the question. And here 100 means that in between 0 to 6 there will be 100 points. You can write 150 or 200, it doesn't matter. Next thing is that we have a distance function. We have written that. We have a velocity function. We have written that as well. You can think that we have given semicolon. I'll talk about it later on why we have put. Next we will plot time, distance versus time. So our independent variable is time and our dependent variable is x. We have used comma, and in quotation we have write k. It means that the line color will be cyan or black. Next we have written hold on. It means that in the same graph, same figure, what can you say? In the same figure we will actually draw two graphs, right? It means that. So we have given another plotting that is actually time and velocity, and the graph color will be red. Then we have added x level. I forgot to add y level. Then we will add title and we will add listen. One is for displacement graph, another one is for velocity graph. As simple as it is. So we'll see it in the MATLAB. This is our first problem. You can see that I have written the code to save time. I want to introduce you with the interface. Under home you can actually create new and then a script, or you can just click here new script and then you'll get a script. This actually reason is for writing script, and this reason is for command window, and this region is for workspace, and this region is for your, like, you'll see your folders where things are actually stored. We'll normally use this new script, or you can get it from the here. You may actually Google for what are these things and when you'll actually use them. Here Simulink, you'll actually simulate things. I'm not actually talking about that right now. You'll actually use these two things. One is for to clear workspace. If you actually press here, you'll see that these things will be cleared workspace. If you write click clear comments, this command window will be cleared. As simple as it is. Then in editor panel, you'll actually use run option. You'll just click here, you'll see that the code is run. Right here you can see that the red one is for velocity and the cyan or black one is for displacement. Here is a graph. Here is the title, displacement and velocity graph. Here is the x level and here is the y level. So it's quite simple. If I talk about workspace, it means that you have variables t, x and v. You don't have any other variables, right? So if you just click over t, you can see that you have the first value is 0 you have second value is 0.0606, and you have the last value which is 6, right? If you click over V, you will see the value of V. You will get 100 values, and for X you will get 100 values as well. So now we'll actually close the variables matrix, and we're in editor panel, and here is our code. And these codes are just for leveling. We have X leveling, Y leveling, title, and listen. We have used hold on so that we can actually write or see two graphs at a single figure. If you don't use hold on, you can actually do it. Another thing is that you can actually draw 3 or 4 graphs in the same figure using hold on command, hopefully. Another thing is that we have used semicolon. But why? It means when we actually semicolon, we mean that we don't want the values in command window. Here you can see that in command window we can actually see any values. If you actually uncheck or actually delete this semicolon, you'll see that the t values will be shown. Here you can see that the t values are actually shown in the command window. If you don't want to see them, just use a semicolon. When you actually want to see the values, then you can actually just put a semicolon. If you just want to clear the command window, just go to the home tab and just clear comments. As simple as it is. In the next video, we'll actually talk about problem 2 and problem 3. It will actually build your basics more clearly. However, we'll upload MATLAB course or Python videos for the same problem soon. If you want them very soon, let me know in the comment box.